Failure is a really important part of the innovation process. It's not something that any of us look forward to, but if you look for what you can learn, the information that you glean can be really important. We discovered this recently when we failed in a fairly large way. We took our paper evaluations from our workshops and said, let's make those electronic. Let's save some paper and save some labor. But it turns out that we went from a 95% completion rate to a 25% completion rate, and instead of immediate feedback at the end of the day, our trainers had to wait some days to get their feedback. Nobody liked the system. So we're going back to paper. But along the way, we discovered that you can take those paper evaluations and make them machine readable. That's going to save us about 2 weeks of labor this summer. There's often gold in the midst of our failures. Look for that gold and make it a part of your innovation process.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.